Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jay Turner with American Running Garage. So I got Jenna's Jeep all back together and ready for tomorrow, and now I just need to get my 1974 Xl350 back together. So my buddies might be like, well, what happened to it? Neglect is what happened to it. I started working on so many other projects and working on Jenna's Jeep and moving from Louisiana to Georgia, and I just didn't take care of it. So it kind of sat for about 2 or 3 years. So I've had to go through it again, and then I pulled it completely apart a couple months ago. Normally I bag and tag everything. I didn't do that, so now I have the fun of putting it together. It is Friday evening, it's hot. I have a little bit of time before I can get this thing back together. Hopefully I can get it together because I want to ride it out to the show while one of my buddies drives Betsy Ross to the show. I want to drive Kitsune out there. So let's see how it goes. Hit the like, subscribe, or don't like, but hit something. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you at the end of the video. All right, guys, so you see, that's only taking a couple minutes. Little frustrating pieces in there. I found that my engine mount bolt, the nut at some point in time had probably rattled off because it wasn't under there. So I didn't have another one, so I had to make one. But it works. And then it was just trying to get everything to line up. There was some corrosion on my exhaust sleeves. So getting those back in was a pain in the butt, so I had to clean the corrosion off of those. And then now everything's kind of going back together. I got the voltage regulator in, got the new fuel line hooked up. Now I need to hook up the gas tank and see where we go from there. Only to take a few more minutes. All right, so it's kind of coming along, a little update. Got the gas tank on, fuel line run. I think I have the carburetor set, but it is coming together. Kitsune is starting to look like a motorcycle again. Let me flip this bad boy around. Yep, just a little bit more work to do. All right, guys, big moment of truth. I got the bike all back together. It's not leaking fuel, which is great. I was kind of worried about that. See if we can get it to start. So I'll turn the gas on. It's kickstart only, so I'm hoping I won't be kicking forever. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, that's it. We got her done. We got the bike put back together and got it started off the first kick. That really never happens for me. I thought I was gonna be kicking on this thing forever. I guess Kitsune, that's the name of the motorcycle, is really happy that she's back together and that I'm paying some attention to her. So I will be taking her out to Bib Mount Zion and Macon tomorrow for the car show. All the proceeds go to a good cause. So if you got something to put out there, they got all types of options: motorcycles, cars, trucks, and Jeeps. So American Ronin Garage will have our Jeep Betsy Ross out there and the motorcycle you see behind me, Kitsune, out there. Got a little bit more work to do, but I am excited to be riding it out there tomorrow. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining us on today's episode of American Ronin Garage.